Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. After that, close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Click on Default Apps and tap on Home App. Lastly, tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then tap on OK and select Got it. As you can see, after all of that, my layout was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your standard one, you can always switch between them by going into the same settings and clicking on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!